Hey, what do you say we do a little comparison? Here's a Netgear, here's a Cisco. They're both kind of the same kind of thing. Let's dive in and see how they measure up. All right, let's get the Cisco opened up first. We got some flatheads on the back side here. Let's see if this faceplate comes off to reveal anything. Okay, no screws there. And nothing there. All right, so these are the screws we have to get off. I'm not going to go find the bits. I'm just going to take these off with my flathead. All right. Now that should just slide open. Hey, I was sneaky, wasn't I? I did it again. I hid the board from you. All right, so power board. Get the wire off of there. That power board will just go in with our low-grade power boards. Get these light paths out of the way. I guess I should have got my brought my bit set over, huh? You know what? I wonder if those are 1/4 inch. That would be convenient. Nope. Nope, they're not. That's all right. They come out real easy. We have got a hot day going. We're going to be in the mid to high 90s today with the humidity. I'm sure we're going to be 105, 110 in the feels like. We have 2 big fans going in here right now. I don't know if you can hear them in the background. And I've been drinking water like crazy today. All right, get that fan out of the way. My yard has been very flexible with me now on fans. I don't even have to take the cage off or the fins. So we'll just cut it loose here from the frame. There we go. And that can go as a small motor for my yard. They're very liberal about that. Not all yards are like that, so you need to know what your yard accepts. There we go. All right, so nice telecom board here. Let's get this heat sink off. Come on, you. There we go. All right, so nice classic telecom board here. Gold corner BGA, another gold corner BGA, lots of flat packs. Oh, look at that. There's another gold corner BGA. Lots of flat pack ICs, large MLCCs. Lots of teeny tiny things on the back here. So telecom high. Let's set this aside and see what we get out of the Netgear. Alrighty. Netgear. Phillips screws. There's always got to be one malcontent. What is it? What is it with screws? It's like they all get together and say, okay, whose turn is it today? Whose turn is it today? I did it again. I'm really sneaky about hiding these boards, aren't I? All right. Well, this is another nice board too. Get the light paths out of the way. These LEDs, the light shines up through this path here and displays on the front. That's what that is. We have a little daughter card here to get out of the way. Set that aside. Another power board. I have a feeling those risers have to come out. So we'll put the Kaiweets to work. This has been a very handy little tool, this Kaiweets. There's a link down in the description below if you are interested in getting one of these. A little electric screwdriver. I did a review on this, so I'll link to the review that I did for this, so that you can take a look at it and see if it's something that would work for you. I will get a little commission if you buy it through the link that's down below, but a portion of that gets applied towards supporting our shark research. Okay, we got some brass risers. Shred. Let's get this wire out of here real quick. Now I'm not going to bother comparing the shred cases. Those were roughly the same size, so no big deal there. This is the Netgear board. These are not ICs, so don't get excited about those, but we do have a number of large flat packs along here. We have some nice oscillators, and if we take off these toroids, this would easily be a telecom high-grade board. So when we do our comparison of the two systems, what do we like better? Let me know in the comments down below what you all like better. Both these boards are going to be telecom high-grade boards for selling to boardsort.com. They're both going to have comparable weight to them. But you know what? Let's fire up the scale and take a look. Starting with the Netgear, we've got 1.65 pounds of telecom high grade, 0.04 pounds of mid grade, and 0.32 pounds of low grade. And the Cisco board gives us 0.86 pounds telecom and 0.44 pounds low grade. So the Netgear system wins by the weight of that telecom board. But hey, they're both winners as far as we're concerned, because we're getting some good money out of these. Hey, the links popping up are going to take you to more shark scrapping videos. I hope that you will follow them and learn even more. We'll talk to you all later on.